Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator. We're back with another video, and today we are doing yet another wish haul. You guys, I did say in the last video I didn't want to do a two-part wish haul video, but unfortunately I'm going to have to do a two-part wish haul video because the second part, it's coming in November. So I don't have to wait that long. I'm apologizing in advance. But yes, we're going to keep this short. Today we are doing a 5-piece nail glue. Okay, this is one of them. Alright, I have 4 others. And this only cost me $2.65 in shipping. Okay, let me show you these. These are pretty good. I actually am familiar with this particular brand because the one I got was originally from a nail kit, but it had a crappy nail color. I think it's my top POOT review. You can actually check that for reference. That's in my Damage Review playlist. First link in the description. So I'm going to compare it to a nail glue that I've been using. Let me actually get the other nail glue. I'm going to keep it short. Alright, we're back. So I'm going to be comparing the nail glue that I bought with 2 that I am currently familiar with. So I'm just going to measure these up in prices, okay? This cost me $2.65 in shipping, so it was technically free. Then you have Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue, which I've been using since I bought another nail kit that involves these. This is around almost up to $9. Then you have Eden One Drop Professional Nail Glue. This is $1.20. This is the cheapest out of all 3 of these. Now compared to these, of course, these are the same in size. The only thing is color. Let me show you. These are the same in size, okay? Kinda, sorta. It's just a different color scheme. Of course, these are not the same in size, color scheme, whatever. But compared to these 2, I actually am familiar and like this brand the best because it holds better. Now, I bought 4 others, as you can see, and for the price that they came with, I actually do consider buying those instead of just buying a single one, because buying $1.20 worth of nail glue, that adds up, okay? And I do not like that. And that's pretty much it. Compared to the one Eden Drop, that actually ends up this actually ends up running low quickly, so I'm glad I got a 5-piece instead of just one. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video, and click that notification bell. That lets you be notified of my videos, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Okay, I will see you on the next review. Part 2 coming soon, probably in November. I don't know, but bye. Thank God I didn't spin my computer screen.